Okay, we're looking at a website for Oriental Rug Masters. This is recorded on my iPhone, and you can see how easy it is to navigate from page to page and how the pages look nice on a small device. Most people access these websites these days on their mobile devices, so it's very important for your website to be easy to navigate, easy to read on a mobile phone. And so Oriental Rug Masters was having a problem whereby their current website, it was hard for them to make changes. When they contacted the web developer to make changes, it was expensive. The hosting was expensive. So they needed a solution. And we have a solution available to all sponsors of our community websites, including CraigShipp.com. And it's a basically one-time payment, $300, and you get lifetime hosting on this mobile-ready website that looks really good. My website, CraigShipp.com, was built using this tool as well. And if you take a look at that website, you'll see I think it looks pretty good. Obviously, all websites, it may not be a good solution for everybody, but it's certainly a good solution for a lot of businesses. And the good part is they can easily update the website if needed. And if they need us to help them update something, it's very quick and easy to do. And we usually don't charge anything, to tell you the truth. It's just not worth the time of putting out an invoice for something that just takes a couple minutes to do. So let us know if you need something like this to help you out on your saving money on your website. You want to have a great website, but you don't want it to be expensive and you don't want it to be hard to make changes to it. So get in touch with us and take a look at my website as well, CraigShipp.com, to see everything that these websites can do. If you keep watching, I'll show you what the website editor looks like. So one of our clients, Oriental Rug Masters, came to me just the other day and said, our website is great, but we can't really edit it. It's too expensive. We can't get in and change things easily, and the folks that are taking care of it, we can't get in touch with them half the time. And so they wanted something simpler, easy to edit, and something very affordable. So this is the editor that you go into when you actually edit the website. And I'm going to show you how easy this is to work with. So first of all, I'm going to click on Pages over here. You can see here, this is a page that I just clicked over to. Up above here at the top, you can see there's several view options. This is the desktop view, and if I click on this one, it takes me to the tablet view of the page. So in other words, what the page looks like on a tablet computer. And then if I click on this button here, it shows me what it will look like on a mobile phone. And you can actually go in here and actually edit right in here. Like if I wanted to edit this text, I could simply highlight it and type in different text, right? So you can actually edit it right in the mobile view if you want to. And that's their Facebook page embedded in here. Okay, so a lot of flexibility here. So I'm going to go back to the main view, desktop view. Now, if you see here under Pages, I can put in a new page very easily, and I'm going to do that just as a demo here. I'm going to click New Page, and I'm just going to do, it gives you different templates that you can use here, right, to get started, like a portfolio for photos, project page, whatever, folder. Okay, so I'm just going to do a blank page, and I'm going to call it a test page. Okay, and I'm going to say Add a Page. And here's the test page. And you can see the footer is already on the page because we've got a footer that goes on every page. Now, if I want to add something, I click on Widgets. And the easiest thing to add a text box, I drag it right over here, and it puts text in here. And I put this as a test. Okay, and you can see here that I can make this text bigger. Okay. I can make it bold. I can change the color, and it's got the existing colors in here that we're already using, or I could add a new custom color. And I just hit the little check box, and boom, I've got some text added in here. Now let's say I want to add an image. I go to Widgets, and here's Image. Drag that right in here and put it right below. And now I could add a photo. Let's go ahead and select this photo here. Now this photo isn't very high resolution, that's why it doesn't look real sharp here. It was not, you really should have higher resolution photos to work with, but this is just a test, so I'm just showing you how we do this. I can click on any of these elements that are in here and And for example, here I could add more text, test. Okay. And see, if I want to add something else, I just click on widgets. And let's say that I want to add a video. Okay, I'm going to take this and let's insert it in between here. Put it right here. And now I would put the URL of the video. So I'm going to go grab a URL real quick. Let me pause this, record. Okay, I got a URL, put it right in here. This is just a YouTube URL. And then that's it. I've got a video inserted in here. Okay, move it up a little bit. Now, so I've got a video and an image. Okay, so let's say I wanted some text in between those two. I just click on widgets, text box, and there we go. Got it to insert in there. And I'm going to say test. And it takes a little bit of playing around to get this hand, get it so you're more comfortable with it. But then once you get it kind of the way you want it, then you can view this on your various devices. Okay, so I can click here and see what it'll look like on a phone, right? So there you go. All right. Now the page in question, if I go to pages and go to test page, click on the little gear here. See here, I have various options here. So I'm going to say hide in navigation, hide on all. So I'm going to click that, so that way it does not show up in the site navigation, right? Because it's just a test page. We don't want it to show up anyway. I could rename the page. I could even duplicate the page. I can get the page URL. I can tune the page for SEO, which is important. I can do keywords, a description, so on. So if we did a page here about having your rugs cleaned in Bethesda, right? I could make the URL /Bethesda rug cleaning, and then I could give a title, description, and some keywords to get this thing tuned up so it will perform well on SEO. So that's an important function that we have here. So that's just a quick little overview. I guess you can see how easy this is to play around with and to work on. It's just a nice clean interface, works great. And right now we have a special deal where it's only a $300 one-time fee for lifetime hosting of this website package for you if you're already a sponsor on our network. You have to be a sponsor on one of our community websites, for example, Frederick.com, and then you're eligible for that. There are setup fees to get it set up and going for you, to import your old website and all that. And those vary, but generally we like to keep them around $500 total because we want all this to be affordable. It could be less than that. And some businesses can just do it themselves, in which case there's no setup fee. And so you pay that $300 fee and you basically have a website for life. I use this for my website, CraigShipp.com. I paid $300, same thing. We're not marking this up. And I've had it 6 years. So I've had no monthly fees, no nothing for 6 years. As you can see, it's a relatively easy interface to work with, I think. I like it. I use it for my website, CraigShipp.com. Works great. And so let me know if you have any questions. Just get in touch and we can take a look at your existing website and see if it would make sense for you to think about switching over to this. The big advantages are it's very affordable and it's very easy to work with. And I think they work great. I think they look great on all devices. Just look at my website, CraigShipp.com. Look at it on your phone. Look at it on desktop. I think you'll see what I mean. It looks great on all devices. So I think it's a good solution. And let me know if we can help you in any way. Okay, we all know social media is important, and you can see here, this is the Frederick County Facebook page, facebook.com/Frederick County, and you can see here some recent content. There's a video from the Searsville Mansion, their party. We just posted that on April 4th, and it already has thousands of views, 17 shares. And here's a video from Brown's Liquor and Deli. This one's got 79,000 views and hundreds of comments, hundreds of shares. So the Frederick County Facebook page is really doing well. You need to leverage social media. We can help you with that.
If you enjoy local content like this, please like, comment, and share this video. If you own a local business, please join us.